What's going on, everybody? I am that driving guy, and my office gets me where I'm going. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and hit all. That way you're notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget to check the description box for some essentials that can help you along the way as you're out there dashing. New Year's is coming up, and this is my take on whether or not it will be worth dashing on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. So, I anticipate what I expect it to really be busy, especially if you are in a larger city. Um, Even though people usually go out to bars and things of that nature, but still with COVID going on, um, a lot of people may be staying home. So expect a ton of liquor orders. People are going to be trying to stock up and get what they can get before midnight. So expect a lot of liquor orders. So it might be some businesses that um, order big catering orders or whatever for the new year, and they may have little parties or whatever going on. So again, depending on your market, expect it to really be busy on New Year's Eve. New Year's Day, people are going to be recovering from the night before. So it may start off kind of slow and it'll pick up uh, probably towards the dinner time because it's on a Saturday. So it'll be around dinner time. It may pick up. People are recovering. They may not be wanting to cook and stuff like that. So, you still may get some of that residual effect from New Year's Eve that carries over into New Year's Day. So if you are going to go out and dash, just be safe. You have Safe Dash, and if you ever feel like you're in a situation where you're uncomfortable or you feel unsafe, if definitely use that. That's what it's there for. But definitely look out for yourself. Be careful driving out there, and have a happy New Year to all of you. And as always, I appreciate y'all. And until next time, I'm a holler.